I want to talk to you about CommentSold, and I want to look at the pros and cons, the features, the pricing of this e-commerce platform. So here's a resume I want you to really think about. So when you think about CommentSold, what should you be thinking about? Well, CommentSold actually belongs to a category of solutions that help e-commerce platforms actually excel and actually also sell more, right? So we love the fact that in CommentSold you have a an array, a wide diversity of features and functionalities around engagement management, order management, touch point management, channel management, and also social media engagement. So that's kind of cool. You have this quintet of features are really what makes a CommentSold an important platform this year. What I want to say here is that when you think about CommentSold, I want you to first think about the scalability, and most importantly, I want you to think about efficiency. And CommentSold, is it for big companies? No. CommentSold is primarily, in our view, based on our investigations, for small businesses and micro businesses, and maybe a little bit for mid-sized enterprises. But for large, let's say for large enterprises with complex e-commerce platform needs, it's better to maybe think about Adobe Commerce or Microsoft Office 365, Commerce 365, or NetSuite, for instance. But CommentSold is not really for big business in our view. But the cool thing is, CommentSold this year is a powerful live selling software that enables businesses to engage customers in real time, showcase products and services, close sales, and drive growth. So that's kind of cool. And you have a platform that has advanced technology that actually focuses on engagement, client engagement, and you also have a great user interface. So within CommentSold, you have a lot of UX. You can see that they actually put a lot of effort in the UX and UI. So that's kind of cool. So overall, the final result is what? That you are able to manage your business efficiently, no matter the size or complexity. But again, I want to insist on the fact that CommentSold is primarily, in our view, for small business, micro business, and mid-size, and a little bit mid-sized enterprises. But for complex needs, for more convoluted, let's say, requirements, you can't really rely on CommentSold. I want to give you a little bit of details here, so you know exactly what we mean by CommentSold. What are the details you need to really think about? Well, first of all, CommentSold is actually a live selling software tool. So you are able to showcase. You can use the platform, the software, if you will, to connect with customers in real time. And it doesn't matter. You can do B2C, you can do B2B, not a problem. You can even do a D2C, okay? And you can showcase products. You can showcase your services. You can close sales real fast. So CommentSold is actually is really efficient and revolutionary in that sense that it allows you to really do things from a holistic point of view. It offers actually this software offers various merchandising and marketing features such as promotions, discounts, for instance. So that's kind of cool in terms of driving revenue across the board, no matter the timing, promotions and discounts, because you can have promotions and discounts all year long, really. I mean, you don't need to wait for the holiday season to have promotions or discounts. You can also take care of a shopping cart abandonment recovery through a CommentSold. So this functionality is really cool. You have product catalog feature with options for product configuration and search filtering. So that's kind of cool in terms of having a seamless shopping experience for the client. You have order process feature. So here you have checkout process with tax display and processing. You also have payment processing, order management, and finally inventory management. So that's kind of cool. That's really comprehensive too, right? If you think about it. And in terms of details, the CommentSold actually offers customizable features like automated notifications to alert customers about upcoming sales event. So basically having a promo or a discount initiative, if you don't communicate around it, nobody will know, right? And so you also have the ability to allow customers to purchase items directly from social media. So that's kind of cool. Social media comments and posts, and you also have discount codes that apply dynamically. So that's kind of cool in terms of driving revenue in, let's say, in a scalable manner. This platform also allows you to create unique experiences for your customers by offering exclusive discounts and promos, setting up flash sales and giveaways, creating actually a product bundles and actually a lot more. So that's kind of cool. What we love about CommentSold also is that you have actually within the software, you have a lot of tools that allow you to manage customer relationships through surveys, reviews, and feedback. So that's kind of cool because it here, what you have here is that you have a powerful conduit to actually engage with customers a lot more. So that's kind of cool from a scalability point of view. Okay, so surveys, reviews, feedback, and it doesn't matter the geography of your customers. It doesn't matter the trends in the economy. You can always actually initiate surveys to sort of know what's on your leads, your visitors, your prospects, your customers' minds. Right? Surveys are always good, and so you can better understand your customers' needs and preferences, so you can actually in the end tailor your products and services accordingly. So that's really CommentSold actually helps you a lot when it comes to this business intel, okay? And what we also love within CommentSold is that you have a multi-channel support, including social commerce and customer service, along with reporting analytics. You have a platform security. You also have a browser support, high performance reliability. So that's kind of cool. And CommentSold, and that's a good thing to really remember, can integrate with Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So that's kind of cool. And you can basically expand your reach and connect with customers on various platforms, increasing visibility and engagement. So that's kind of cool in terms of scalability. But what we love is that a measured scalability process. So not just something that's really done like rapidly, but very in a measured way. And CommentSold, in our view, is ideal for the retail industry, but can be used by other businesses looking to engage in real-time selling, or let's say increase conversions. So that's kind of an important element. So especially if you are trying to increase your CRO all the time. But one thing for sure, as I said a little earlier, if you are a large enterprise or even a small business for that matter, and you have complex needs, CommentSold is not the right tool for you. Okay, if you're looking for more advanced features, CommentSold is definitely not the right tool you are looking for. I want to talk about, let me give you the evaluation here. What are the pros and cons of CommentSold, and what should you be thinking about this year, especially when it comes to making the final decision real fast? So let's first talk about the pluses when it comes to CommentSold. So CommentSold is very easy to use. I spoke a little earlier about the UX and the UI being front and center, being prominent within the tool. So CommentSold has a simple interface and provides actually helpful tutorials and guides to help you get started. You are able to connect with customers in real time. So that's kind of cool. You can actually showcase your products through live streaming. That's really fantastic. And you also have flexible pricing plans. So CommentSold, I'll speak about pricing later on, but CommentSold actually offers a flexible pricing plans, making it very easy and affordable to find a solution that fits your needs and budget. So that's kind of cool. You also have a multiple selling support, such as live and social selling, mobile app, websites, and marketing tools. So that's really fantastic. And you can actually, through CommentSold, initiate a fully customized web store. You have also at your disposal marketing tools to advertise for sales, features, and promotions. So this is actually another layer of capabilities to drive revenue real fast. You have automated invoicing, reminders, and wait lists. You have simplified communications. Okay. You have inventory management, and you have also within CommentSold, you have insights and reporting to make informed decisions. So from a benchmarking point of view, from a scalability point of view, you have a lot of tools and capabilities to kind of help you out. Okay. So what are the minuses? What are the drawbacks when it comes to CommentSold? Well, first thing first, you have limited customization. So the features offered by CommentSold are kind of limited. So businesses may not be able to fully customize the platform. There's no free plan. So CommentSold does not offer a free plan. So you may have to invest in the platform to actually use its features. And you also have limited customer support. CommentSold's customer service is kind of limited. So you may have to rely on your own resources for assistance. You also have limited SEO tools. There's a potential learning curve at the beginning. And you also have that, and there's no free trial. I think I said this before. There's no free plan, no free trial. So what are the features here? When you think about CommentSold, what kind of features should you be thinking about? Well, we've seen 5 prominent features to really allow you to get your e-commerce store to set up real fast. You have marketing, product catalog, you have order process, you have multi-channel support, and you have platform. So when we speak about marketing, you have promotions, discounts, and shopping cart abandonment. For a product catalog, you have a product configuration, product search, and filtering. So that's really important. For order process, you have a checkout process, text display and processing, payment processing, order management, and inventory management. For multi-channel support, you have social commerce and also a customer service. And for a platform, you have reporting, analytics, security, cross-browser support, performance, and reliability. And you also have other features. So basically SEO. Well, the thing is that CommentSold's primary focus is social media selling. So it might not really offer SEO features like, let's say, Shopify or BigCommerce or WooCommerce for that matter. However, and this is a big however, CommentSold provides actually tools to integrate their social media selling efforts with their website, which can indirectly aid in SEO. So that's kind of cool in terms of scalability. What about marketing? Well, similarly to Shopify, CommentSold actually creates a uniform and a uniform experience, and engages actually a brand image by automating messages across multiple platforms. So that's kind of cool. And merchants can schedule posts and announcement for later view to adopt a set it and forget it approach, enabling them to save time. And you can also use automated tools such as emails, retargeting ads, 24/7 auto replies, and social media messages to keep in touch with customers regularly. Okay, specifically, what we have seen is that push notifications can actively involve mobile app users by delivering alerts straight to their devices, and these notifications can inform customers about sales, new products, and more. So that's kind of cool. And what we love about CommentSold also is that in terms of features, they're constantly adding new functionalities to their existing tech stack. So this is really cool. What is the price here? So I want you to look on the screen here. You have actually three types of categories, if you will. CommentSold they have a starter, individual, the small business, and the large business. I mean, the large business, they're charging you $1,000 per month. And for the small business, you have a $499. One thing I want to say here is that basically for the large enterprise, as I said before, if you're looking for something more convoluted, CommentSold is definitely not the platform for you, okay? But you can give the large business a try. Why not? You also have actually a 15-day free trial. So the free trial that they have here, it's not available across the board. That's why we sort of put it in the drawbacks, because there are certain countries where they do not allow actually a free trial. But hey, listen, if you in your geography you have a free trial available, go for it, okay? And one thing I want to say here is that the prices that you have on the screen here, CommentSold is charging you extra. They are taking part of your sales. So like for the large enterprise, they're taking 3% of your sales. For the small business, they're taking 4% of your sales. And for the starter individual, they are taking 5% of your sales. So they're getting a cut on your sale, on your revenue. Okay. So it's one of those things where you gotta ask yourself if it's good for you. The large business plan is custom priced for teams of all sizes and provides actually advanced features such as on-site implementation, one-on-one sales and business coaching, and also dedicated account strategy. So you will have a dedicated account strategist that can really help you out. And I want you to see on the screen also the second screenshot in terms of pricing. So you can see that you have a simple scale-based pricing, right? So for instance, the 5,000, 25,000, 125,000, 300,000, and more than 300,000. So it's one of those things where if you want to have a shoppable videos, basically CommentSold can really help you out. But the thing is, with CommentSold's flexible pricing plans, you are sure to find a solution that fits your needs and budget perfectly. Just give a call to the company, give a company a call, and they'll help you out. So what is the verdict here? What is our verdict? Is CommentSold actually worth it? Yes, CommentSold is definitely worth it. We think CommentSold is actually a great tool for certain niches and certain initiatives. And overall, we recommend CommentSold because it is a powerful live selling software to help you increase sales and improve customer engagement. I want to insist on customer engagement because if you want to really draw customers and retain them over a long time, you have to engage with them. And CommentSold gives you the tools and capabilities to actually improve that customer engagement. And CommentSold actually offers a wide range of features that really help you streamline your operations, connect with customers in real time, and expand your reach on social media. Your reach on social media, not on other platforms, but on social media. You saw a little earlier when I showed you for pricing the shoppable videos, right? So if you are looking for a live selling software, CommentSold is definitely worth considering. Okay, so that's an important element to think about, and we love the fact that you have robust reporting. Now, in terms of analytics, they're not there yet. It's not really sophisticated yet. So that's what I was just telling you a little earlier. That if you want something more complex, it's better to go for another bigger player. So we think that CommentSold is ideal for social media sellers, live sellers, boutique businesses, and businesses looking for automated invoicing. So in terms of why social media sellers, well, if you are selling via Facebook, Instagram, or other social media channels, CommentSold can streamline this process to sell and communicate with customers. What about live sellers? Basically, if live selling is a vital part of your business strategy, CommentSold could actually be a great fit, especially on Facebook Live. You also have boutique businesses, so smaller retail businesses, particularly clothing boutiques, often find CommentSold to be a good match for their needs. It provides the tools for managing inventory, invoicing, and customer engagement. You also if you're a business looking for automated invoicing, you might like CommentSold also because CommentSold offers automated invoicing, cart reminders, and other tools to streamline payments over time. So that's kind of cool. And the cool thing about CommentSold is that everything I just told you, they do it across various geographies. It doesn't matter if you're somewhere in Chicago and you're selling to someone in Australia, or you are somewhere in New York and you're selling to someone in Abuja, Nigeria, right? Basically, the thing is that you have the ability to actually scale your initiatives across the board, across several geographies, and across several target audiences. So here's the epilogue here. To this conversation, I spoke to you about CommentSold, and this was a review of the tool. I give you the resume, the details, the evaluation, the features, the price, the verdict, and the epilogue now. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.